Apart from that, because tonight is the night when we wish for success and we wish for love and we wish for goodness in life, I want to tell you this कि हमारी जो कामयाबी है, हमारा जो सक्सेस है, वो बहुत चीज़ों की वजह से होता है। खुदा की दुआएं होती हैं, भगवान हमें ये सब देते हैं, माँ बाप का हम पर विश्वास होता है, आप लोगों का जैसे मेरे लिए प्यार है वो होता है। बट हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आते हैं जो हमारी कामयाबी के एक्चुअली सचमुच हकदार होते हैं। So unfortunately, couple of days ago, I lost one very close and dear friend of mine, Mr. Yash Chopra, who actually has helped me become who I am. So I do wish that his soul rests in peace, and I thank him from the bottom of my heart for making me the Rahul and Raj that you all love so much. And apart from that, because there are a lot of youngsters here and a lot of parents here who would like me to say some good thing. I used to say this before that my children, but not my son is this tall now and my daughter is about this big. So I say these things to my children because God has been very kind to me. लोग और खुदा और मेरी माँ बाप की जो प्रार्थनाएं हैं, दुआएं हैं, मुझे दुनिया में बहुत कामयाब बनाया है। तो इसलिए before I start off the proceedings for the evening, I'd like to tell you, all the youngsters here, how success happens. I know it may sound a little boring because you get these lectures from your parents every day and night, but please hear it out because your parents are always right. First and foremost, do remember that जो आपके लिए कामयाबी आपकी ज़िंदगी में लिखी गई है, जो खुदा ने लिख दी है, भगवान ने लिख दी है, जो श्री दात्री जी आपके लिए कर रही हैं, श्री दात्री माँ जी, वो आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी। कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि जो चीज़ आपके लिए हो रही है, वो I love you too, darling, but we'll come to that later. Sometimes the success that you get or the things that you get in your life, you do not understand how important they are and how wonderfully best they are for you. So whatever happens to you in your line of work, in your personal life, please accept it as the will of God, and that is the best thing for you. The second, nobody is going to ever take away from you, snatch away from you what you really deserve. And third, whether you get something or not, keep working hard because there is no alternative to hard work. And एक बहुत पुराना गाना है जो यंगस्टर्स को नहीं मालूम होगा, आप लोगों को जो नए वाले गाने हैं वही मालूम होते हैं, लेकिन एक पुराना गाना है, जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो खो गया उसे मैं भुलाता चला गया. And that is the essence of success and goodness that you'll get in life, that whatever you're getting is the best for you. So please do not question it, accept it and live with it. And I want to tell you, do not stop dreaming. For that part, I will tell you a song that I did many years ago. Chand tare So believe that you can snatch away the moon and the stars. Sari duniya par main chhaun. And as if that's not enough, bas itna sa khwab hai. So the dream, as big as it is possible, dream the most wonderful dreams. And I pray for you tonight, all the parents, all the children, all the youngsters who are here this evening on the 9th night of Navratri. God bless you and may you get all the success and happiness that you deserve and desire. Thank you. Thank you very much.